Show is sponsored by Mittens Building Supplies. Their address is P.O. Box 382.
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Thursday, February 6th. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Today's game show is Throwback Thursday. We will show you a picture of a throwback, and you will answer us at paolimedia@paoli.k12.in.us. Here's the picture. Anyone wanting to purchase a Drama Club t-shirt needs to get $15 to Miss Wishart, and all Drama Club members need to remember to check their email. And now to Kaulen with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Audrey. Boys varsity and JV basketball will be playing at Shoals starting at 6. Counselor Rams and Extras Night. Back to you, Audrey.
And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Checking out the weather today, we will see a lot of rain this week. And then today we'll have a high of 35 and a low of 27. Then tomorrow on Friday we'll have a high of 35 and a low of 28. And starting your weekend on Saturday we'll have a high of 36 and a low of 25. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.